Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to revise the chapter 9 one words. First is the choose the correct answer. First one, who developed C++? So they have given the four options, but which is the correct answer? Virgin Straub. And second one, what was the original name given to C++? What is the original name? C with classes. The answer is C with classes. And third one, who coined C++? Who coined C++? Who is given? Rick Mastic. Who's that? Rick Mastic. And fourth one, the smallest individual unit in a program is, what is the correct answer? Tokens. The smallest individual unit in a program is tokens. And next one, which is the following operator is extractor operator of C++? What is the question? Which of the following operator is extractor operator of C++? The correct answer is less than. Which of the following statement is not true? First one, keywords or the reserved words convey the specific meaning to the C++ compiler. So already you know the keywords or the reserved words. Another name reserved words. So they will be another convey specific meaning to the C++ compiler. Another one, keywords or reserved words can be used as identifier the name. This is correct, this is wrong. An integer constant must have at least one digit without decimal point. So with the decimal point, this is the floating point. Without decimal point, integer constant. So one integer constant means one point will be one digit without decimal point. And fourth one, exponent form of the real constants consists of two parts. Exponent form of the real constants consists of two parts. Or you know that. Okay. So which is the wrong? Reserved words or keywords or can be used as an identifier name. And next one, which of the following is a valid string literal? You know that string literal you must give the double quotes, which is showing the double quotes at the last D, double quotes 1 2 3 2. A program written in high level language is called, what is the name? Source code. And next one, assume A equal to 5, B equal to 6. What will the result of A and B? A and B means you want to multiply A dot B. So you get the answer 4. Which of the following is called as compile time operators? The answer is size of. And next lesson, how many categories of data types available in C++? How many? 3. Which of the following data type is a not fundamental type, which is the signed? What will be the result of following statement? Characters ch equal to b, cout integer ch. So what is the answers? So the character b means they will getting the answer 66. Which of the character is used as suffix to indicate the floating point value f? So how many bytes of memory allocates for the following variable declaration if you are using development C++? So they giving short integer x. Already integer means 2 bytes and short integer means 2 bytes. Both you will add mean 4 bytes, you get that. What is the output of the following snippet? Character ch equal to a and next ch equal to ch character plus 1. First 1 plus 1 you add and mean 2, you get the value. After a, after what is the value come? B. Which of the following is not a data type modifier? Which one is the integer? Which of the following operators returns the size of the data type? Size of. Which operator to be used to access reference of the variable? What is the int? This can be used as alternate to the endl command. Which one? /n. So understood, student? Read this all the one verse. Thank you.